Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another episode of Makeup and Chill, my little series of quick eye tutorials with some music to get us all through these crazy times. I asked you guys on Instagram what palettes you would like to see next. This one was on the list, the ABH Norvina palette, so that's what we're going to use today. I'm almost done with all of the requests I had gotten for palettes, so let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see. And I will also add that you can skip the lower lash line liner if you want. I used the Urban Decay Alkaline, but if you want it a little less edgy, you can skip that altogether and it's still just as beautiful. So if you want to make up and chill, let's do this. Stay well, stay home, take care of each other.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course.